Okay, so this is Finite Math 1 lesson on geometric transformations. So, we're going to find the image of the following point using the various transformations. So, let's start with the first one. Consider, meron tayong point na 2, negative 3. So, 2, negative 3. And we're going to reflect the point in the x-axis. So reflect in the x-axis. So if that is the case, our rule is simply xy is just equal to or corresponds to x negative y. Therefore, the image of the point when we reflect it along the x-axis is just copy the x-coordinate, change the sign of the y-coordinate, which is 3. So the image is 2, 3. Let's say we're going to reflect in the y-axis. Okay. Ang ating rule naman kapag reflection in the y-axis ay xy becomes negative xy. Therefore, the image of the given point when it is reflected in the y-axis is just change the sign of x. So positive 2 becomes negative 2, then copy the y-coordinate, negative 3. So the image is negative 2, negative 3. Okay, another one. Let's say we are going to reflect in the line y equals x. So, ang rule lang natin, xy, the image is yx. Nagbabaliktad lang yung x and y coordinates. So, sa given nating point na 2, negative 3, kapag nag-reflect tayo along the line y equals x, pagbabaliktarin lang natin. So, it becomes negative 3, 2. So, the answer is negative 3, positive 2. Let's say, i-reflect naman natin in the line y equals negative x. So, ano naman yung rule natin dyan? xy becomes negative y, negative x. So, pagbabaligtarin, pero papalitan ang side. So, ang image natin ay negative 3, so gagawing positive 3, then positive 2, gagawing negative 2. So, that's the image of the given point. So, ganun lang mag-work yung reflection. Okay, so we go now to rotation. Okay, let's say may point naman tayo. So, ang given nating pre-image ay, let's say, negative 1, 5. Okay, negative 1, 5. Say we're going to rotate a 90 degrees counterclockwise. So, rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise. So, ang rule natin dyan, ang pre-image ay magiging negative y x. So, pagbabalik ta rin, but change the sign of y. So, therefore, ang image natin ay 5 becomes negative 5, then copy si x, negative 1. So, the image is negative 5, negative 1. Okay? Sige, let's try another one. We're going to rotate 90 degrees clockwise naman. So, kung 90 degree clockwise, ang rule naman natin, xy becomes y negative x. So, magbabaliktad, pero ang mag-change ng sign ay si x naman. So, anong ating image? Ang ating pre-image ay negative 1, 5. So, magbabaliktad, 5. Pero negative 1 ang given, magiging positive 1. So, mag-change. Okay? Paano naman kung 180 degrees counterclockwise? Okay, kapag 180 degrees, counter or clockwise, same lamang. Walang magbabago sa rule. It becomes xy, the image is negative x, negative y. So therefore, if we have the point negative 1, 5, ang image dyan ay change the sign. Negative 1 becomes positive 1, positive 5 magiging negative 5. So, ganyan lang. Pero paano kung 270 degrees counterclockwise? Yan ay pupunta ka lang sa equivalent niya. Isusubtract mo yung 270 sa 360. So, 360 minus 270 is 90. So, equivalent siya sa 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, and ano yung rule natin sa 90 degrees clockwise? Atoy. Sa inyong gagamitin natin. So, we have xy, y negative x. Kaya ang sagot din ay pareho sa number 2, which is 5, 1. Okay, so ganun lang. So madali lang kapag quadrantal. Pag sinabing quadrantal, multiples of 90. Pero paano kung hindi siya quadrantal? Let's say, rotate 45 degrees counterclockwise. I-rotate natin 45 degrees counterclockwise. Ang given point pa rin natin, yung ating pre-image ay check natin, negative 1, 5. So, meron tayong formula. Ating formula dyan, kapag may point ka, AB, ang rotation ay A cosine theta minus B sin theta, then B cosine theta plus A sin theta. So, yun yung ating gagamitin. A cosine theta minus B sin theta over B cosine theta plus A sin theta. Applicable yan kapag counterclockwise. So, kapag clockwise, isubtract mo lang by 360 degrees. At yun ang gagamitin natin na angle. So, isolve na natin yung image ng negative 1, 5. So, ang image ay magiging, anong A natin? negative 1. Ang B ay 5. At ang theta ay 45 degrees. So, ang A is negative 1 cosine 45 degrees minus B 5 sine 45 degrees. Then, anong B natin? 5 cosine 45 degrees plus A negative 1 sine 45 degrees. O, i-compute lang. Ang cosine 45, pag kinalculate mo yan, is square root of 2 over 2. Then, 5. Ang sine, ganun din lang. I-calculate nyo lang. Make sure yung calculator ay naka-degree mode. Then, 5 cosine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Then 1 times negative, or by the way, positive times negative, sorry. That should be negative 1 sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Magiging ganyan. So, negative 1 times square root of 2 over 2 is negative square root of 2 over 2 minus 5 square root of 2 over 2. Then, 5 square root of 2 over 2 minus square root of 2 over 2. Compute lang nyo. So, negative square root of 2 over 2 minus 5 square root of 2 over 2 is negative 1 minus 5, negative 6 square root of 2 over 2. Sa baba, 5 square root of 2 minus square root of 2, that is 4 square root of 2 over 2. Or, the image, dahil ordered pair yung given, would be negative 6 square root of 2 over 2 and 4 square root of 2 over 2. I-verify natin. Okay. So, di ba? Compute lang natin ito. Ganun lang. So, negative 1. Sige, cosine 45 minus 5 sine 45. Ayan, sorry. Kasi negative 6 divide 2 is still divisible. So, the answer is negative 6 divide 2, negative 3 square root of 2. Then 4 divide 2 is 2 square root of 2. So, that's why in our calculator, we have negative 3 square root of 2. Yung second naman, so we have 5 cosine 45 plus negative 1 sine 45. And you see that it is 2 square root of 2. So, ganun lang. So, ito yung ating image. Okay, so ganun lang yung pag-compute. So, ganun yung gagamiting formula. Paano kung let's say rotate 120 degrees clockwise. So, isusubtract mo muna siya from 360 equals 240. Ito ang gagamitin natin kasi yan ay counterclockwise. Diba ang given point natin negative 1,5. Apply ulit lang natin yung formula. This one. So, apply lang natin yan. So, ang ating image ay Ang A natin is negative 1 cosine. Gagamitin nating angle ay 240. Minus B, 5 sine 240. Then, 5 cosine 240 plus A, negative 1 sine 240. So, i-calculate na natin yan. So, negative 1 cosine 240 minus 5 sine 240. Negative 1 cosine 240 minus 5 sine 240. So, the result is 5 is square root of 3 over 2 plus 1 half. So, 5 is square root of 3 over 2 plus 1 half. Sorry. This should be square root of 3. So, 5 is square root of 3 over 2 plus 1 half. Okay. Yung sa baba naman, we have 5 cosine 240 minus 1 kasi plus times negative is negative. So, 5 cosine 240 minus 1 sine 240. And the result is 5 cosine 240 minus sine 240. Square root of 3 minus 5 over 2. Although, itong nasa taas, yung una, ay pwede pa nating gawing ganito. Similar fraction kasi yan. 5 square root of 3 plus 1 over 2. Then, this is square root of 3 minus 5 over 2. Sa inyong kanyang image. Or gawin mo lang siyang parenthesis kasi ordered pair tayo. So, that's it. So, yan yung ating answer. If you cannot have the answer in radical or square root or fraction, okay lang namang decimal. So, ganun yung reflection. Okay. Paano naman yung dilation? So, madali lang yung dilation. Kasi ang dilation, nag-i-enlarge or nagiging smaller. So, kunwari may given point tayo, ang ating pre-image ay 4, 2. Ang rule ng dilation ay xy, 1/2 x, 1/2 y. In short, nare-reduce ng 1/2 yung pre-image. Therefore, ang image lang natin dyan ay 1/2 nung given na 4 at 1/2 nung y coordinate na 2. Which is equivalent to 4 divided by 2, 2 divided by 2, 1. So, yan yung result sa dilation. So, ganun lang. So, paano naman kapag translation? So, may rule din lang ito. Let's say, meron tayong pre-image na negative 4, 3. So, ang rule natin, xy is x plus 3, y minus 1. So, ano ang image? So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, yung x-coordinate, mag-a-add ka lang ng 3, yung y-coordinate, magma-minus ka lang. So, negative 4 plus 3, kasi ang x is negative 4 plus 3, then ang y is 3 minus 1. So, negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1, 3 minus 1, 2. So, ganun lang yung translation. Okay? Last, glide reflection. Dalawa ito, magre-reflect ka, then magta-translate ka. So let's say may pre-image tayo. Na negative 2, 2. So reflect in the x-axis. Then translate based on this rule. So anong gagawin? So, reflect nyo muna. So, reflection. So, kapag along the x-axis, ano yung rule natin? xy becomes x negative y. So, ano equivalent? Image. So, magbabago lang ang sign ng y. So, negative 2, 2. So, it becomes negative 2, negative 2. Then, ita-translate mo na yan. Yung image ng reflection. Following the rule of the translation. So, copy daw ito. Ito yung rule na gagamitin natin. So, copy lang si x, negative 2, pero yung y, mag-a-add ka ng 1. Negative 2 plus 1. So, we have negative 2, then negative 2 plus 1, negative 1. So, this is our image kapag glide reflection. Okay, so ganun lang mag-solve ng transformations given the pre-image and you need to find the image.